Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's get to class.
Question number 17. Are you ready to know more about corrective waves in the theory? The answer is yes. Let's dive in and explore the hard part. Great. But first, make sure you understood the previous part very well.
Code number 11. Michael Marcus said, "Every trader has strength and weakness. Some are good holders of winners, but may hold their losers a little too long. Others may cut their winners a little short, but are quick to take their losses. As long as you stick to your own style, you get the good and bad in your own approach." This quote means that what works for you as a trader may not work for others. Every trader has their own trading style. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.